Hi, I'm Mary with Conky Go Seafood in the Dolphin Bar and Shrimp House. We've had the opportunity to participate in the air show a few times now. It's a great opportunity to get out to the community and support these local causes, and not to mention enjoy the amazing show. And we're really honored to be a part of it, so thank you guys for having us.
Hi, I'm Tina Ferrier with Merchant Link Services, and we are so honored and proud to be supporting the Stuart Air Show. We've been supporters for 4 years and we love it. We're a national company, but we are locally owned and operated, and we love our hometown. We love providing this event for our clients and for our staff, and just for the great opportunity that it is to come and participate with the Martin County and Treasure Coast community. And it's just been an awesome time, and every year we just love it. We have so much fun. It's a great place to be, and everybody should be here. Everyone should support the Stuart Air Show. It's a great event.
So this will be our 5th year sponsoring the Stuart Air Show. This is a fantastic event. It's actually the largest event in Martin County. This weekend we'll see probably 40,000 people or so come through here. Just a fantastic weekend event, and we're so glad to be a part of it. So thank you.
For myself, I've been with the Y for about 7 years, and I've been at the air show for all 6 of the years that the YMCA has done it. But I've also volunteered here at the air show before that since about 2006, so I have a lot of ties to the air show.
We are huge supporters of the air show. It's always been a great way for us to collaborate with our business lines and our clients. More importantly, supporting an idea about helping the military. It's all about America, and it's such a great event for Stuart. And I'm really taken by the amount of patriotism around here, where you can go and see the military on display, hurricane hunters here. So I'm just a big fan of it. We'll continue to sponsor it, and my associates and all our clients and customers enjoy coming out and spending the day watching all these beautiful places.